Hey, it's William Jiaming. Welcome to Learn Digital Art with William Jiaming. And previously, I talked about how to add a texture to your original drawing. So I draw a like a cute monster, and say I don't want like I wanted to have a certain texture. Okay, like it's on a real piece of paper. I can use noise here, right here, and add another layer above, and using the overlay. Okay, so right now you select in is O, so it's overlay. Okay, and then you can have certain texture like this. But what if you don't want this kind of texture? What if you want a certain style? So for example, if you got a commission and the person who hire you say, hey, I like say watercolor style, but I really love this cute monster, I don't want this texture. uh, okay, you can of course start from scratch, but there is also a quicker way of doing things. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to delete these things. I'm no longer need this texture, and what I'm going to do is to change it. Say you want to change to fresco, Cucci, or watercolor. It doesn't really matter. Let me just use this. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that you can actually do a lot of things. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to click here and click clone and click and drag to a specific place. Okay, and then just paint it here. Of course, the brush is too small. You can make it like a bigger, so you can paint you guys here. And if you look at here, um, you got a completely different texture. Okay, and it's very similar to you draw from scratch. It's not like 100% like a foolproof sort of way, and of course, if you draw from scratch, you have like a very different feeling. But hey, at least you got like a very different texture. Um, Probably a very different style. So, for example, if you got like a watercolor, something like that, you can get the some sort of watercolor feeling. Okay, yeah, something like that. And I do believe this is, can be helpful if you are doing, say, like mirror or reflection or shadow, something like that. You may say choose a specific part, and then maybe you freehand choose a specific area, and then you move it. Okay, or maybe you copy and paste it to a specific places. Doesn't really matter. I can see a lot of potential in these methods, and yeah, if I'm in one of my drawings and actually use this method, I will record another video, so you guys can follow along and see the actual application. Right now, I just yeah, draw this cute monster to quickly demonstrate this method. Hope this video is helpful. If you think my video is helpful, do please give this video a thumb up. And if you haven't already, you want to see more, I play around with a lot of things. The modeling, sculpting, yeah, games, AR, VR, yeah, all that fun stuff. And drawing, Photoshop, procreate, and drawing animation, and all sort of thing that I consider digital art. Okay, and yeah, thanks for your time. Bye.